So with another feature that was added was a improved object check-in. And this is specifically within respect to object wizards. So if you don't know what object wizards are, they're kind of polymorphic templates. And in this case, you'll see a template that's got like 10,000. I don't know why I'm seeing an echo. But 10,000 instances of a template, and you'll see that he's checking in the 10,000 objects in 2023, which takes about 30 seconds. Now, in comparison, if you were to do this on a prior version, this would take about, I think, 25 minutes. So definitely significant change in performance when checking in large amounts of objects, especially when those objects have those object wizards.